Okay, here's Liam and Josh on October 1st, 2006. Yep, we're over at Uncle Billy and Auntie Corey's house. Or Mom and Dad if you're Josh. Hi, Liam, Jeff. We're in the kitchen. There's Uncle Eric and Daddy. There's Josh. Josh, you want to crawl for the camera? Oh, you want to stand up for the camera? Josh is very advanced. Whoa.
Hi.
A lot of fun here. Oh, don't eat the box, Liam.